Hi, thanks for using LumbarTrac. This is the best possible way to relieve back pain due to compression in your lower back. Simply lie on the table on the harnesses, get a good wrap around your hips with the lower harness, buckle, wrap the top harness under your rib cage to provide a wedge to hold the harness in place because you don't want it riding up under your arms. Take out any extra slack with the adjustment. Relax and simply turn the wheel handles forward and you should immediately start feeling a pull in your lower back. Feel free to lift your buttock off the table, wiggle it around. It's a very intuitive process. There's really not a way to mess it up. And simply dial enough pressure very gradually, allowing the muscles to relax on their own instead of forcefully stretching them. And when you get to a point where it's feeling a little bit uncomfortable, just stop and hold it and notice how the muscles will relax on their own, and then you can add a little bit more pressure, finding the best possible pull for your own spine. Once you feel like you've had enough, it may be 10 minutes, it may be 15 minutes, just simply dial the wheel handles back or simply let go of them. Then just unstrap the harnesses. And you should feel relief in your lower back because we just stretched the muscles and the tissue that is causing the pain. Thank you very much.